So he's definitely here last night. Oh, I almost forgot the hot sauce. Man, did it ever smell good already, huh? Scattered fly on the go in here this morning, you know. Oh, I almost forgot the hot sauce. New sausages for breakfast there, guys. Start the day off right. I'm going to eat this wonderful breakfast now and do some more reading on my new drone. Don't worry, I'll save you a little piece. Okay, I left this for Willow, but she got to do a couple tricks to earn her breakfast. Huh? Peekaboo. Sit. Stay. Lie down. Roll over. Is it pretty? Come say your prayers. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. So this has been marinating all night in the fridge. So next step is to take it out and let it dry for about 4 hours. Man, did it ever smell good already. Man, oh man. Look at that though. Alright, so here she goes on the drying process for 4 hours or so. In the meantime, I'm going to put on a bit of rabbit to cook for lunch. This is one of the rabbits I caught there the winter when it was the coldest week of the winter, actually. Froze my face a couple times, but it all pays off when you can have a few meals during the summertime. Big old hind legs there, and of course that one I'm locked out there. I got a couple of hearts and 3 or 4 kidneys in that pack, so bonus. They're so tasty. Bit of seasoning, salt, bit of garlic, pepper. Pepper's always good on raw meat. Sometimes I'll throw in a little bit of that beef stock like that to it. That'll make it. Oh, the juice will be really good then. Here she goes, boys, in the oven for a couple of hours, 2.5 hours on a bit of a lower heat, medium heat perhaps. Let her cook up. You want to go check a bear beat? I put that rock in there and he moved that rock away. Okay, so he's definitely here last night. I put this out yesterday at about 4 o'clock, and this bucket was full of grease here. And he just sat down and ate the whole bunch here. Now I put this bucket out here up in the tree. Put some bait into it. Now I might have just scared him away too, but he didn't haul it down. And it could be a smaller bear too, so we'll go back to the truck and get some bait and bait it up for later on this evening. Come back, give her a try. What is it, Willow? It's unbelievable how different she acts in here. She smells the bear. I've brought her in her just about every time. The bear don't mind her scent at all. She's sniffing right in the path where the bear would have come in or exited. And she also smelling the branches. I guess he rubbed up against the branches, you know, and this wet weather makes scent even stick better. So she's certainly telling me the bear has been here. Pour a bit more oil down here now and then put the rock back in place, because nothing can move that big rock, only a bear, right? Scattered fly on the go in here this morning, you know. Okay, so I got the bait hidden here, and at least he'll have to come and work at it a bit before he gets it this time, because the stand I'm going to be hunting from is right up here. I'll show you that one now. Now, I must mention that this is not actually my bear baiting station. A friend of mine actually owns this one, and he's been fueling it last couple years, and he's finished hunting, so he was gracious enough to let me use it, so really appreciate that. Okay, here's the stand and the bait. You can just see that bucket down there now. And if you want to catch that video, you want to see what it looked like from this stand, you got to tune in to the next video, which will be black bear hunting, hopefully. Alright, back to the house and tend to our fish smoking and rabbit cooking. Checking the rabbit there now, boys. Ho, ho, ho. You don't look good, do you? Okay, so it's been about 4 hours now. We're going to take that fish out and put it on the smoker. And have a bit of lunch. Oh yeah. Alright, it's been a couple hours now. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Looking good. I gotta take that out. I think the smaller pieces might actually be done. Well guys, thanks for watching. All my fish is done and a great day so far. Now I'm going to head off to the bear stand and do some bear hunting. Catch up with you next time.